Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D practice model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and we'll select here the exit plane, rotate the view. Here we'll take the rectangle command and here we'll take the 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point, make the rectangle profile, go to dimension, select this dimension and give it as 100 mm. Okay, enter, and the height here will be of 70 mm. Now here we are going to construct the circle command. Take the circle command, make one circle here of diameter 26. From same center point, make circle of diameter 16. Go to dimension. From this center point, the center of the circle will be at a distance of 82.5. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center and select the center. Now take the line command, select this edge, select the circle, select this edge, select the circle. Okay. Now take the tangent constraint, select this line, select the circle, select the line, select the circle. Okay. Now here go to trim command, trim this 26 dia, okay, and escape. Now here go to the line command. We are going to make a center line over here till the center point and escape. Select this line, make it construction. Now go to mirror command, select this complete profile, go to mirror line and select the center line, apply and done. Okay. Now go to line, make a line here to make it a separate sketch. Now finish sketch. Now here go to extrude, select this profile and select this profile. Okay. Now we will extrude these two profiles to height of 12 mm. So this will be a one direction extrude and press OK. Now go to extrude 1, select sketch 1. Here we will turn on the visibility. Go to extrude. Now we will select this rectangular profile. Here we are going to take extrude of 34 mm and here we will take join and press OK. Okay. Select sketch 1 and from here we will turn off the visibility. Go to part 2. Here you can see we have constructed this profile and this profile. As it's hollow from inside, so we'll make a hollow profile. Go back to the construction part. Go to home view. Okay. Now to make this profile as hollow, we'll select this shell command. Okay. Here I'll give a shell thickness of 12 mm and select this top face. Only top face will be selected to shell and press OK. So here the thickness will remain 12, here also 12 and from bottom also it will be 12 mm. Okay. Now we'll rotate the profile and select this face, go to create sketch. Now go to the part. So we are constructing this cut profile. Okay. So for that go to circle command and here select the center point and make here a diameter of 40 mm and from same center dia 24. Okay. Now go to line command. Here make the joining profiles till this bottom. Similarly this inner profile and join it. Now the outer profile. Okay. Or escape and here this profile. Okay, and escape. Now here go to trim command once again. Trim this profile and this profile. Okay. Now trim this. Now here go to line command, make one joining profile here and one joining profile here, and escape. Now finish. We have two profiles here. One this closed profile, the inner profile, and one this outer profile till this edge. Okay. Now go to extrude. First we will cut the profile. Select this, flip it to cut, and from here I'll take 2 and select this face and press OK. So this will be a cut up to this face. Okay. Now go to the edge. Now go to extrude 3 once again. Select sketch 2, turn on the visibility. Now go to extrude once again. Select this top profile now. Flip the direction, and from here we'll take 2 next, or from here also you will take 2. Now flip the direction, and here I'll select this face. So this will be a joining profile here, and press OK. So you can see the profile here. Okay. Go to the part which we have already constructed. So same profile has been constructed over here. Okay. Now select sketch 2, turn off the visibility. Now we have constructed the profile of one side. Now we are going to construct the profile of other side. Now rotate the profile, and here rotate this view. Now we are going to make this cut profile. Okay. Select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command. From this center point, make a circle of diameter 36. Go to 3D model, take extrude, and here flip the direction to cut. So here we don't have to take a through cut. You can take any dimension. 25 mm I have taken, and press OK. Okay. The cut should not cut this profile. Okay. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, and here take the rectangle command and take 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point and make a rectangle. Go to dimension. From corner edges, this will be at a distance of 16 mm. Go to coincident, select this edge, select this point. Okay. Now go to 3D model, take extrude, select this rectangle profile, flip to cut. Okay. Go to top view and press OK. So the cut profile has been made. Now here we want to make holes. So select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, and here we'll make a diameter of 12 mm. Similarly here, diameter 12 mm. Go to dimension. From this outer edge, center at a distance of 8. Similarly from this edge, center at 8 mm. Okay. Go to horizontal constraint, select this center and select this. So let's select this center and select this. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this circle, rotate and select this circle. Here we'll take cut. Okay. So this will be a through cut from bottom, and press OK. Go to home. So this will be a final file. Okay. Now from here I'll define the appearance. I'll take here the red color, or you can take any. I have taken the red. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.